you have to be over the age of 18. Number 2, you can't have won it before. Number 3, you must have no problems with pain, humiliation, and the only people that win the prize is the person that comes first. You okay with all this? Okay, so please come forward if you are interested in entering. I will select the victims for sacrifice. Right, just stand there quietly and orderly. Balls. Okay, I need to tell you this. 4 or 5 of our winners have ended up in hospital. They had to have their stomach pumped. 58.9, but thank you for the claim. Not only that, one person has suffered temporary blindness. Okay, it was temporary, but it was still blindness. That was kind of scary. Now, do any of you have allergies to tomatoes or garlic or capsicum? Are any of you asthmatic? Any of you have heart disease? Any stomach issues like IBM or something like that? Okay. I strongly urge you to change your minds. Okay. Now, just as my witnesses, should this go to court, you all saw me do my entire best to prevent them from entering, correct? So you're all agreeing to freely enter on your own free will, no one's pressuring you to do this? You'll have to sign a waiver form so you can't hold me or Armageddon accountable for what happens to your body after you consume chilies around 2 million square heat units, okay? Okay. Alright, just a minute. Yeah, no, that's what I'm doing. Okay. Alright. Are you sure? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rightio. Here we go. Can you open the curtain a little bit then? And let's get this thing started. I need 9 people because I've already got 1. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, what did you guys miss out? You're all over 18. Okay, it's going to come down to which of the top knots I like the best. And I'm sorry, but he's just dressed so much more impressively. I'm going to have to get you to sit down this one out, mate, sorry. Everyone else, please come up on the stage. All right, my assistants are going to, everyone, right, grab an end of the table, bring the table forward, please. Now there's 2 other people grab the ends of the table, bring the tables forward, please. All right, those of you who are astute enough or have got good eyes or are just lucky, you will see that there is a plate, there are plastic bags, there are gloves all in front of you. Now, the first thing you want to do is grab your pen, grab your piece of paper, sign your lives away. So there should be 5 at each table. And we've got 1 place to come in. Here you go, fun place. So, grab a disclaimer form. And what we'll do is we'll get 2 people to stand at the end of each table. So there's 3 in the middle, 1 at each end. Just to shuffle around so we've got some room. Just reach in there and grab one. Grab a pen, go for it. So, if you can position yourself at the end here. Once you've signed all that, can you position yourself at the end here? You position yourself at the end here. You swing around, position you at the end here, and then the 3 of you in the middle. You don't need a lot of room unless you start throwing up. Okay, Auckland. For those who are about to suffer for your entertainment, make some noise. Right, once you've filled in the form, you just pick it up and hold it up above your head, please. Alright, who have we got here? I can't read that. What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Roland from Palmerston North.
Roland from Palmerston North, well done. Do you know what you're getting yourself into?
Yeah, I think so.
That's a no. what's your name? Where are you from?
My name's Emma. I'm from the North Shore.
The North Shore? Ooh. Do they have chilies in the North Shore? What do they call them? Chilies. What's your name? Where are you from?
Sparrow from Taupo.
Taupo, nice. Welcome, Sparrow. Your parents hippies? Okay. Were they just avian enthusiasts? What? What's your name? Where are you from?
Angela from Auckland.
Angela from Auckland. The alliteration is strong in this one. Alliteration means when this... Never mind. What's your name? Where are you from?
Courtney from Auckland.
Courtney from Auckland. Right, here's our media star. What's your name? Where are you from?
The Doctor, Gallifrey.
William from Aiken. William Aiken from Auckland. That's all right, Christopher Eccleston. We'll take that. What's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Nebo, I'm from Rotorua.
Nice! My dad's family's from. And what's your name? Where are you from?
George, I'm from Indonesia.
George from Indonesia? Did you like flying in from Indonesia just to be part of this competition?
No. I've been here for like a while.
That might be the right answer. It wasn't the cool one though, was it? How cool would it be? Yeah, I just wanted this competition. What's your name? Where are you from?
Amy Auckland.
Your Auckland parents just like click the first letter because it's from where you're from. Weirdos. And finally, my best stress competitor, what's your name? Where are you from?
John from Auckland.
John from Auckland. Excellent. All right, big round of applause. These are your contestants. The premise is very simple. We will give you a chili. You will eat it. The next round, the chilies get hotter. This is how you can lead the competition. You can say, I'm done, walk away. No harm, no foul. You want to stand at the end here because we're going to give these people some room. You can grab the bottle of milk and drink the milk. Then you're out. No harm, no foul. You can grab the rubbish bag and throw up. That's another way to get out as well. Or, if we get down to our time trial runs, the last person just around will go out. Right, so everyone, put your gloves on, please. Now, even with the gloves on, after you're out of the competition, please wash your hands 2 or 3 times before you touch your eyes. Definitely before you go to the toilet. 15% of our competitors ended up in the hospital for other reasons. Okay, so let's get our first round out here, please. My assistants, drop a jalapeno in front of each of them. Make them all the green ones, please. Don't put the orange one on. I'll tell you why that is, good people of Auckland. A green jalapeno is around about 3,000 Scoville heat units. But if you leave that jalapeno on the vine, it will change colour. And then it can get up to 6,000 Scoville heat units. So we'll make sure they're all the same, because there's one orange one which I know is going to be hotter than everyone else, and I'm not that mean. Yes, I am. Yeah, just the green ones. Oh, you're missing one. There's supposed to be 11, but I've got 10. Where'd you go to school, Emily? Where'd you go to school? Where'd you go to school? They don't teach basic arithmetic. Just kidding, just kidding. Alright, are you ready? It's quite simple. You do not have to eat the stalk. All I want you to do is hold up the chili, break the stalk up if you want to, but you have to eat everything else. Once you're finished, mouth open, hand up. Ready? Quite simple. 3, 2, 1, eat the chili! Make some noise, Auckland! Now, I know we're not in the speed rounds yet, but, you know, I've got a dinner reservation, so let's not just sit there and take your time. You're not here to savour the flavour of the jalapeno. No, you're here to eat the freaking thing and win. Let's go! Come on! Speed, people! I mean, it's just, this is the sort of thing you get on a Pizza Hut. You might chuck into your sandwich at Subway. It's nothing. It's a walk in the park. It's got a tingle compared to a capsicum. That's about it. Yep, there you go. Hand up, mouth open. Nice and finished. I'll wait, but anyway. I keep tapping my wrist like I've got a watch. Is that not wearing watches anymore? We all done? Come on, Sparrow. I was a bit worried you were expecting someone else to chew it up then. Go, everyone done? Big round of applause if successfully navigated the first round. So they're saying here that these ones are averaging at about 5,000 Scoville heat units. So let's bring up the next one, the Inca drop. Now this is a tiny one. It's so small. So bring out the other one as well. Let's do a double-decker round. What do you say, Auckland? So it's quite simple. The first one you're going to have is the little one called the Inca drop. It's only 30,000 Scoville heat units. So, you know, about 5 times, 6 times hotter than the last one. But I want to make it interesting. So we're also going to give you the orange habanero. Ooh. That one drops in at 250,000 Scoville heat units. I can't do that much maths, but it is considerably hotter. So what I want everyone to do is to take the stalk off the big orange one. Nah, it's going to be time to put that one. Right, it's quite simple. You've got 2 chilies. Eat them both. Right, on my count. 3, 2. Remember, the Armageddon Chili Competition sponsored by Dragonfire Chilies. Check it out on Facebook today. 1, go! Eat the chili! Yes, I like it. Are you alright? You staying in? Yeah, good. Guess what? They all go round to the next round, which is round 4. Round 4 is a speed round. Yeah, you take the milk. Bye. I mean, you couldn't say something to me, it's just a bit rude. I mean, I know we've only just met, but gosh. But what she's done is she's actually prevented the speed round. So, you guys are all still with it. Aren't you lucky? So, this is... I love how they name these things. They call this one the Fatal II. Now, I don't know if that means Fatal 2, or Fatale, or whatever. All I know is 300,000 Scoville heat units. Or, in layman's term, ouchie. Rightio, so it's quite simple. Same as always, grab your chili. Oh, don't think about it too hard or you won't do it. Don't rub your eyes. If you are crying, do not rub your eyes. Okay? Or your nose. Anything with a mucous membrane. Now the last thing you want to hear when your eyes are burning is the words mucous membrane. So I will not say mucous membrane too much. 3, 2, 1, eat the chili. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Ole, 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 ole. Ole, 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 ole. Feeling hot, hot, hot. How are we feeling? Yes, dab, do not rub. We all done? Anyone want to tap out? Okay, bring on round 5. It is the red habanero. And it is 350,000 Scoville heat units. Like I said, we just keep getting hotter. That's the chilies, not me. I'll put on a bit of weight, but I mean, I'm still confident in my body and all that. It's okay. Big men can be sexy too. Well, that's what my mum says. Right, moving on. How are we feeling?
It's very hot. Hanging in there.
Hanging in there, eh? Make some noise, Auckland. I see the glasses are off. How you feeling?
I think that God created these chilies with every sign that they weren't meant to be consumed. And what we're doing spits in the face of God.
I don't believe in God. So don't spit in my face. How you feeling? What's that? You haven't finished. There's no slow. Come on, finish. Well, you're going to have to finish or I'm going to disqualify you. Like I said, it's not a speed while, but you know, I've got dinner reservations. How you feeling?
Well, I don't know.
I've got to admit, based on the colouring we have in this area, you're less Sparrow and more Red Robin right now. Hang in there. You made it this far. At least try the next one. I mean, how much farther can it be? 50,000 Scoville heat units, just for the record. All right, are we ready? Remember, break off the stem. 3, 2, 1. Hang on. We've lost someone. Bye, William. Dude, Amelia is giving you the stink eye, bro. Oh, I would not want to be you on the ride home. 1, eat the chili! Come on, let's make some noise. Come on, kia ora. Oh, we lost another one. Hey, at least say goodbye. Well, it's too late now. You hurt my feelings. Come on, Sparrow. All right, everyone's got through the next round. No, wait, no. Oh, that's all right. I think you're due for a shift at Bob's Burgers anyway. Big round of applause. As you can see, none of our contestants are going home empty-handed. They've all got a 2-litre bottle of milk, which is what, like $8 these days, so that's something to sneeze at. All right. So let's spread out a little bit. Let's have, come this side. We're just going to put through, no, you stay there. 3 on each table. All right, we're up to round 6, the dried ghost. Now, a ghost pepper normally sits at around about 750,000 Scoville heat units. But here's some science for you people. What happens when you dry a chili? It gets hotter. Exactly. Much like after I've had a shower and I dry myself. No, nothing like that at all. Actually, but a dried ghost pepper is 1 million Scoville heat units. Oh, I love my job. Right. Oh, it's a dried ghost pepper. Listen with your taringa. Now go sit back down. Everyone's a critic. Gosh darn, Amelia. Cut it right, give some slack. What I want everyone to do right now is take the dried pepper, put it in your mouth, please. But do not chew, do not swallow, just put it in your mouth. In your mouth. Ah, Sparrow's out. Now, this is both an act of kindness and an act of torture. On the one hand, by rehydrating the chili, it's going to bring the temperature down a little bit. However, it's also activating the saliva glands, which means that there's more saliva to transfer the heat further around the mucous membranes. That's right, Auckland. Eat the chili! Chew it up. You're out? Okay, that's all right. You can take the milk. If you're out, just grab the milk and go. All right, we are down to our final 4. And what that means is that each of our contestants now has a 25% chance of walking away with $1,000. 1 in 4 chance of $1,000. What are you going to do with $1,000?
Money for uni.
Money for uni, nice. What are you going to do with $1,000?
Travelling overseas.
Excellent, travel. I've brought new experiences and horizons. Oh, 33.3%. If you don't drink, you haven't walked away yet. What are you going to do? The mind games. I absolutely love it. The mind. Actually walked away and came back. What are you going to do with the $1,000 if you win?
It's fun.
What surprise?
A PlayStation 5.
Wait. Yes! That's what I want to see. Irresponsible spending in a nerdy way. Thank you. How you doing? You can do this. Right, if you win the $1,000, what will you do with it?
Save it, invest it.
Well, he is dressed like a banker, so no, that's fine, that's good. Save it, invest it. Invest it in what? A PlayStation 5. Yes! All right, let's get around to round 7, please. This is the chocolate ghost. Chocolate sounds good. Who likes chocolate? Who likes their chocolate at 1.2 million Scoville heat units? You know, me neither. Oh, so for our friends from overseas, when we say yeah, nah, if the nah comes second, we mean no. We go yeah, nah, yeah, we're thinking about it. We go nah, yeah, we thought no, but now we mean yes. It's simple. In fact, it's sweet as. Welcome to Colloquialism 101. All right, are you ready? Take the stems off, because I'm not a complete bugger. Eat your chocolate ghost in 3, 2, 1. Eat the chili. I mean, chocolate. It's like dessert. A dessert that will burn your mouth and later on burn when it leaves. Oh, we have chunks. We have chunks. I am what they call a sympathetic vomiter. They now have a 33.3% chance of walking away with $1,000. Well, they're not actually going to walk away, we're going to transfer it to their account because, you know, safety reasons. All right, let's bring out round number 8. The chocolate Maruga. 1.5 million Scoville heat units, Auckland. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all identities. I'm not going to lie when I say it smells rank up here. The mixture of capsicum, chili smell, bile and vomit is not an aroma that I like, but in this competition it's one that I crave. Because it means we are sharing in the suffering. You done? Two. Remind me of your name again?
Courtney.
Okay, we have Team Courtney. What's your name again, mate? He can't remember his own name. And I've forgotten it already. And Team John. 50-50 chance of winning. And I've got to be honest right now, my money's to the left. There's a determination in those eyes that is a little bit scary, I'm not going to lie. But I like it. All right, let's bring out the chocolate Maruga. 3, 2, 1. Eat the chili! I'm just going to get out of the splash zone. Take a bottle of milk with you, mate. Are you out? He's in, he's in. Yeah, you don't want to just walk away with this, you want to earn it, don't you? The primal roar of a man trying to force his body to accept something that they don't want to accept. Right now, every nerve ending, every synapse in his brain is saying, don't do it, and he's doing it! Auckland, make some noise! John, you're a beast! Grab the bag if you've got to throw up, please. All right, Courtney, come forward. You've just become the first 2023 Auckland Cheerleading Competition champion. How do you feel? Excellent. Don't go anywhere. I will grab your details and we'll make sure that the money is transferred to your account. Can't touch the microphone.
I can't feel my hands.
Oh dear.
Can I take this now?
Yep, you're allowed to drink it. That is your celebration. Hang around. I think Kia Kids might want to have a chat to you about the win. And like I said, what I'll get you to do is take your gloves off when you're done. And I'll get your bank details and we will send you out that money. Thank you so much all. That has been day 2 of Armageddon. We will see you tomorrow.